Hello folks, y'all come on in. We're going to do a shop update, and this may be the shortest shop update that I have ever done. It's a shame when work gets in the way of having fun, but the job comes first. We have to make a living, right? So kept me out of the shop most of the week. I was able to upload a shop update on Monday and a emerging goblet video on Wednesday. I'll share that with you. If you haven't already seen the video, here is the emerging goblet. Basically, I turned it and left the base with the original branch or limb base on there and let that come up into a goblet form. Had a lot of great feedback on the video. I want to thank everybody that's watched, all the likes and the comments. I really appreciate those, and they really help out. That just reminds me, if you want to see the videos that are coming out and you want notifications, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified when new videos come out. We are going to be doing a giveaway when we hit 500 subscribers, which we just keep easing up a little bit closer every day. So that could come out at any point now. I don't want you guys to miss it, so if you want to get notified of the giveaway, might be another good reason to subscribe. The video is going to be released here in just a little while this evening or later tonight. Is going to be a whistle video. Yes, indeed. I turned a whistle. It's a piece of walnut. Let me give you guys a little closer view of that. And I show you exactly how I did it and what I did on the video. So be sure and tune in and watch that if you're interested. With that said, we should be releasing that today. Later on in the week, we will release the video on these curtains. Had a lot of questions on those, and they do come in handy. So that'll be a video that will be released this week. And we'll see what comes up after that. I've got several other projects in the works. But that'll give you a little bit to look forward to this week. And be sure, and if you've got any questions, post them down in comments. Be happy to answer any questions you've got. With that said, stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning.